Sustainable road construction and aquaculture integration in Jamalpur district of Bangladesh, a green response initiative of Bangladesh, a Red Crescent Society. Generally, infrastructure development often disrupts agricultural land and livelihoods, like loss of farmland impacting food security, environmental degradation and damage of biodiversity, and also farmers lost their income and access to resources. For implementing this green response initiative, there are 4 steps. Step 1, soil sourcing. Identify and collect soil from non-agricultural fields or unused ponds to minimize disruption to farmland. Road construction. Build sustainable roads using responsible source soil while preserving surrounding environment. Step 3, pond revitalization. Convert soil excavated pond into agricultural sites, creating new livelihood opportunities. And steps 4, monitoring. Regularly evaluate project impact on agriculture, livelihood, environment, and ensuring long-term success. Benefits of this green infrastructure road development: sustainable roads, revitalize ponds, preserve agricultural land, enhance livelihoods, and also improve community resilience.
এবং ৯ নং ওয়ার্ডের রাস্তা হওয়া লাগছে। আর এই রাস্তাতে অনেক পানি হইতো এরপর মতো এটা আমরা চলাফেরা করে আসলাম না। এখন এট কিচেন
We
থেকে
thought that
আমাদের
through
মাটি কেটে
this
দিছে।
simple green initiative, which makes a bigger impact by small changes.